Hello, I'm Dr. Nijat Gupta, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Engineering Application. Welcome student to the class of BTech Computer Science and Engineering second year. This is the Applied Database Management System. The subject code is BCSC0014. This is your core course under the CBCS. This course is newly introduced to fulfill the requirement of industry for their expectation from the fresher. This is the agenda of the video. I believe that you will find this course both challenging and rewarding. Throughout the course, you will develop skills for the database creation, query formulation, and database development using concepts and implementation both on SQL and NoSQL system. Database are the backbone of almost all the digital services and e-governance solutions. Modern businesses and financial system heavily depend on database system and transaction processing for their successful operation. This is the simple architecture of database management system in which applications, other database systems and user interact with the database software, and finally that software interact with the storage area and store the file in various formats. Further, this course is a blend of NoSQL database. NoSQL database provides a mechanism for storage and retrieval of data that is modeled in mean other than the tabular relation used in a relational database. The NoSQL was only coined in the early 21st centuries, triggered by the need of Web 2.0 companies. Now the differences between the SQL and NoSQL system. SQL database are relational, NoSQLs are non-relational. SQL databases uses structured query language and have a predefined schema. NoSQL database have dynamic schema for the unstructured data. SQL database are table based while NoSQL database are document, key value, graph or wide column stores. This is the team of faculty members who will teach you the database subject. The objective of this Applied Database Management System course is to understand the various concepts of state-of-art databases, design the good relational database and NoSQL database, and practical implementation of database design using Python. Your syllabus is divided into two modules. Module 1, its overview is Introduction to the Database, Data Modeling using Entity Relational Model, Relational Data Model and Languages, and Database Design and Normalization. In Module 2, transaction processing concepts are there, concurrency control techniques are there, distributed database, NoSQL system, and database programming using Python. Now the outcome of this course is to identify the basic concepts, apply relational database theories, recognize and identify the normalization and functional dependency techniques in designing the database, apply and relate the concept of transaction, concurrency control and recovery, identify various NoSQL database systems, and apply the database concept using Python programming. The assessment of this subject is done on three bases. First is midterm 30 marks, end term 50 marks, teacher assessment 20 marks, which is further classified as attendance 5 marks, assignment quiz 15 marks. So total marks are 100 marks. Application areas where database management system is used. It is used in railway reservation, banking system, universities and colleges, credit card transactions, social media sites, telecommunication, online shopping, manufacturing, and there are wide area where these database softwares are used. Hands-on experience in DBMS we use Oracle, MySQL. In NoSQL database we have MongoDB, Cassandra, Neo.js, and React. References books are there. Thank you. Keep learning, keep growing.